Alright, so we're talking about embed codes today, and we're going to look at how to embed in Edmodo. So we have an Edmodo group here that has all different examples of embed codes within it, and on the main page of her main group of the Edmodo class, embed code class, is the wiki on embed codes pasted in here, so you can come in and see all the different information on embedding for all these web tools. You notice when I click on that embedded wiki, it comes up in a browser that's part of Edmodo. It's got the blue border here, and it's within the same page. I'm still on the same tab or window of the of Edmodo. If I click on this one down here, this is an example of a link to the embed wiki, and when I click on that, the link opens in a new tab, and it's the wiki in its own page for away from the embed from Edmodo. So we want to use embed for a lot of things that we do in Edmodo, so that the student doesn't have to go away from Edmodo. It just makes sure that they can get back to Edmodo easily. So we recommend using embeds whenever possible. So there are several examples here of how to do that. There's a Glogster embedded, there's Google Docs embedded. So lots of things that you can embed straight into your Edmodo, so that you don't have to have them navigate away from Edmodo in order to see the resources that you are sharing. Now in here I have an example of Voki, although this group doesn't have anything posted yet. So we are going to add it right now. So, example of a Voki embedded. And I'm going to embed now. You notice in the attach section there's no embed option. You can put a file, a link, or a library item. Now actually link is also embed in Edmodo. So if we click on link, we'll see it shows HTTP or brackets embed. Brackets embed means the embed code that we've been working with. So we're going to paste an embed code in here. Now first I have to get an embed code. So to do that, I'm going to go to Voki, because this is an example of an embed of a Voki. So I'm going to go to Voki here, and if I go back out to my main Voki page, I'll show you how to get that Voki. I'm going to click on my Voki, and it's going to load my only Voki right now. Right here is the test Voki. I'm going to click Publish Voki. And when you click on Publish Voki, it gives you the embed code to use. So I'm just going to copy this right here. Now I can also change the size of the Voki to large or small. It's by default medium, and that's decent for for Edmodo. So we're going to copy that code, and I already said it copied. We'll do it one more time just to make sure. So it's copied in my clipboard. I can now go back to Edmodo, and instead of pasting a link, I paste the embed code. Put in a title, and attach. Okay. Now it doesn't do anything yet. I have to send it. Make sure I'm sending it to the right place. I'm sending it to Voki, examples of embed code, so that's the right place. Click send, and now we have the little play button for an embed in Edmodo. So I click on that, and the Voki shows up, ready to go. It will load, and it will begin playing as soon as I hit play. And there we go. So a great way to insert audio in a little more interesting way for your students to see. You can easily put that in using an embed instead of a link. Alright, so enjoy.